Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix sign-in required. Please enter your Apple ID and password to create an iTunes Store account from your existing Apple ID. So guys, if you have added your Apple ID on your iPhone, but when you try to open your App Store or iTunes, you are facing this message again to sign in your Apple ID again in your App Store. So guys, here I will show you how can you skip and how can you fix this problem in your iPhone to download and install the apps on your device. So guys, for that simply go back to your home screen, and from here you have to open settings in your device, and from here you have to tap on Apple ID, and from here tap on media and purchases, tap on view account. So guys, from here tap on country and region, tap on change country or region, select your country from here. Here I am selecting United States, and after this tap on agree. So guys, from here you have to add your payment method, and if you don't have your payment method then select the none button and add your billing name and billing address here as well. So I do this, and after this save this information in your iPhone, and after this go back to your App Store and check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you are still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you have to open settings in your device and tap on your profile, and from here tap on sign in and security, and from here you have to change your password for one time as well. And after this go back and sign out your Apple ID in your device for one time and restart your device. So guys, restart your device after signing out your Apple ID, and after this you have to sign in your Apple ID using your App Store. So guys, open your App Store after restarting the device, and from here tap on your profile, and from here you have to add your Apple ID again using your App Store. So guys, this time you will be able to download and install the apps very easily on your device. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.